are cats with humans as pets. Besides them being a pet, they are also an animal that guard our house, thanks to their loyal personality. In some places, dogs even help humans hunting down the rodents. Dogs are quick, and they have good sense of smell. They can lead the way in the hunting or the capture. Cats. Cat is also a popular pet like dog. They play with humans every day. They are basically a predator. They usually hunt down the rodents such as mouses. In your garden, there are also the bees. Bees often represent hard-working habits. Every day, the bees find the flowers, get the honey. Bees are insects. They live in groups. They play an important role in the biological system. They help pollinate the flowers. Chicken. Chicken is a poultry that are raised by many people. They are raised with the main purpose of providing food. They are easy to raise and they grow well. The time for them to get mature is short. Their meat and eggs have high nutritional value, and it plays an important role in the food sources of humans. Snail. In your garden, you must have seen this animal. Snail has soft body. The shell is hard though. They move slowly and they prefer humid, wet area. They eat plants and they are not good for agriculture. But in the cosmetics industry, the slimy from the snail have the use of beautifying the skin. Horses. Back in the previous days, the role of horses are so important. They are the means of transportation. They help carry goods in daily life and even in the war. Cows. Cow is a cattle that humans keep to get meat and milk. These are two food sources that provide protein to humans. Besides, cows are also kept so that they help carrying things in agriculture.